our communications, and that is Scott Romans to talk about whistle kits. Scott.
Good morning, friends and neighbors. Good morning, fellow patriots and democracy warriors. This morning, in this place, Indivisible Santa Fe has distributed 5,000 whistle kits. Over the past year, that's awesome. Over the past year, armed thugs from ICE and CBP have descended upon towns and cities across this nation. They invaded Los Angeles. They raided Chicago. They surged in Minneapolis. But in every case, the American people showed up to meet them. And they were not armed with guns and knives, but in the words of the boss and of the band here, with whistles and cell phones. There are two reasons I will ask you all to wear your whistles every time you go out in public. The first is to be prepared when ICE acts in Santa Fe so you can draw a crowd of people who can use their phones to monitor and record what ICE is doing. The more the actions of ICE are made visible to the American people, the more the American people are rejecting the policies and actions of this vicious administration. More than 80% of American voters saw video footage of the murders of Renee Good and Alex Preddy, and that moved public opinion. Just imagine the lies our government would be telling us if there hadn't been people around with whistles and phones to capture the truth about these events. The second reason I want you to wear your whistles at all times is to show solidarity with those who are most at risk under this administration. It is no mistake that ICE is poorly trained, unprofessional, and reckless. Trump wants us to fear him, and he wants us to fear his paramilitary thugs. But when you wear your whistle in public, you are telling those who are most at risk and most fearful that you are not okay with what is going on in this nation. That you will stand by them in their vulnerability. And that in the face of this tyranny, you will not remain silent. Friends, ICE and CBP are here in Santa Fe. But we, the people, are here as well. We are the resistance that we have been waiting for. We have arrived in minivans and carpools and holding whistles and cell phones. We will prevail. God bless you all, and God bless the United States of America.
Thank you, Scott. Now it occurs